recording?
Yes, I'm recording right now.
It's not recording. Tyler's recording also.
This is, hopefully this works. From 4 flights up. You're,
Oh no. Is it over the thing? Is it over it?
go for it.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
I'm trying for
Oh, I don't.
I'm scared.
I feel like, wait,
Do we need
are
it
you over
moved?
it? Wait, do you want me to stand under it and see?
Do you know how heavy it is? Like, are you sure you're going to be able to propel it?
Wait, whoa!
No, that's not propelling.
Wait, don't send it this way.
I got you guys here.
Make it flat.
Ready?
I feel like you're gonna miss it, and then you're gonna hit the light. You're gonna break the light. What if we break the light?
Wait. Is this okay?
What if we break the light? What if we break the light? Are you gonna hit the light? Just don't break the light. Go air on this side before that side.
Are you ready?
Just go for it.
Yeah!
So dead.
All right, now we gotta throw it all away.